Hey everybody, today I'm going to be talking to you about diabetes. Did you know that it is projected that by 2050, a third of the entire world is going to be diabetic? Now, if you apply that same statistic to our classroom, this means that 17 out of us 53 students will be diabetic. Now, diabetes is a big deal. It costs a whole lot of money and a whole lot of time to take care of it. You could lose your vision, you can lose your hearing ability, you could have heart disease, you could just have a stroke. Now, I'm a nursing student, and the first thing I'm taught about taking care of people is education about the disease. That's the best thing you can do. So I'm going to talk to you about what diabetes is, the two main types, and what you can do to prevent or treat it. Now, diabetes is an endocrine disorder, and this has to do with the hormones of the body, and one hormone in particular, which is insulin. Insulin is made by the pancreas, and it allows sugar to enter your cells. So if it's not in the cells, sugar's in the bloodstream, and that causes a lot of problems, and the cells starve, and that causes a lot of problems. Now, there's two main types of diabetes. There's type 1 and type 2. With type 1 diabetes, there is no insulin in the body at all. So the cells are starving. Okay? And with type 1, this is normally caused by a virus killing the cells of the pancreas that makes insulin. These people are usually young, around 10 to 15 is the average age when you get diagnosed with type 1. They're thin because they're starving. They're thirsty all the time. They're having to use the bathroom all the time. And they're hungry all the time. They're really tired. This all happens all of a sudden. It occurs quickly. I've got a picture for y'all to look at. See? She's thin, she's thirsty, she's eating. She doesn't look too happy. Look at those eyebrows. Alright. Now the second type is type 2. Type 2 diabetes, there's a little insulin but doesn't work very well. And the main cause of this is obesity. They're also tired, they're also thirsty and peeing all the time. They have high blood pressure, they have a whole host of problems themselves. Now, I've got a picture. They also have a sedentary lifestyle. See? They don't heal well, they have wounds, they're not happy people. Now, on to treatment. Type 1, there's no really cure for it. It's managed with taking insulin daily and medications. And type 2 you can get rid of type 2 if you have it through diet and exercise and taking your medications correctly. Then you can get rid of type 2 diabetes. But if you don't, you have medications that you can take daily, and some people end up having to take insulin shots themselves. So hopefully now with this information about diabetes, you won't be one of the 17 students that will be diabetic in 2050. Alright, thanks everybody. Oh, this is my little disclaimer. It's not part of my speech. I am a nursing student. I'm not a professional about diabetes. So if you're watching this video, it's for my speech class. Go to a health professional and get professional advice if you have questions about diabetes, okay? I'm just this little overview. So take care of your health. Go to a doctor. Thanks.